Regenerate. Rejuvenate. Revitalize. Recover.
BPC-157, a synthetic peptide derived from gastric proteins. It signals the body to repair at the cellular level.
Faster recovery, accelerated. Inflammation, reduced. Tissue healing, enhanced.
Works. It signals cells, binds to receptors, and supports tissue repair processes. Action inside the bloodstream triggers new vessel growth and regeneration, helping the body restore itself.
Used in athletic circles, in rehab rooms, inside research labs. BPC-157 is talked about for supporting recovery and repair. But understand this, the compound remains experimental and is not FDA approved. Know what you're using.
Peptides 101. Regenerate, rejuvenate, revitalize, recover. Follow for more and uncover the vital tides. BPC-157 stacked with TB 510 milligrams each. VitalTidesUSA.com. Finish strong.